Even with gym also people struggle. You need lot of core strength for this.
खड़े हो जाओ.
Good morning. Now ಇವತ್ತು ಕುಫ್ರಿ ಟೌನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Kufri is a small Himalayan hill station which is close to Shimla. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೈಟ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. Let us see if we could do paragliding over there.
This is that famous spot where people capture that Shimla step houses, right? Like colorful step houses. You can see it here.
Sanjauli comes on the way to Kufri, like it is 5-6 kilometer from Shimla. So you can stop at this spot and see this scenic view of step houses. Life at these kind of mountains is very difficult. People have to carry huge amount of blocks or stuff on their back. You have to pay to get a plain area at this hill.
ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀವಿ. ಶಿಮ್ಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಬೆಂಕಿಪಟ್ಟಣ ತರ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಮನೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಆ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಕುಫ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಆನ್ ದಿ ವೇಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ನ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ.
So people who come to visit Shimla, so they will definitely visit Kufri as well. So we also started our journey to Kufri. So weather was so pleasant by the time we left, and by the time we reached Kufri, it started raining. First we thought it's a rain, and then we thought it's a snowfall, but actually I don't know, ice was falling. For entire 1 hour we were just sitting inside the car and enjoying this weather, because we had nothing else to do. Whole day was planned in the Kufri itself.
Oh, ice. Oh my god, it's not snow. Icy hai wo pura.
Ta-da! Surprise! See, after 1.5 hours, the weather got cleared.
Full of keychad, so you have to take ghoda only.
Because of the weather change, my hand is frozen and I have to wear all this stuff. Suryadeva, thanks to Suryadeva, at least we could do this. They will have a package of sightseeing, horse riding and then adventure sports. We just took horse riding thanks to our experience from Pahalgam. So per person they will charge 500 for this horse riding. You have to take horse riding only because of the rain and all. The road is not that good to walk. Otherwise it is, I think, uphill 1.5 to 2 kilometer horse riding. Please take a number of that person who took you up, and you have to call 20 minutes before so that he will come and pick you up.
Different than Sikkim yak.
इंदिरा गांधी भुट्टो आए थे 1972 में शिमला समझौता हुआ था. शूटिंग स्पॉट मां शेरावाली का टेम्पल.
So this is like telescope view. They will show all the spots for 200 it seems, but weather was not that clear, so we didn't choose for this package. And the next spot was Naga temple. We had to pay 20 rupees plus 10 rupees as a panchayat charge to enter here. So this Naga temple is very old one. It opens once in a year, and next to that Vaishno Devi temple is there, Anjaneya temple is there. We went inside the temple. We sat there for some time because weather was too cold, and it is very warm inside this temple.
Shoe and socks, literally legs are freezing. But
so this is the Naga temple, which is a very old one. Kufri looks like a bit exaggerated place. It's not that peace or calm. There's nothing much to watch. On the way we saw so many beautiful places, so many beautiful meadows. And they have highest go-karting as well. We are not playing anyway. But let's see. It looks like a cherry blossom flower. But I think it is apple. See? Apple flowers. As we visited in the month of summer, so nothing much was there to see in the apple garden as well. People will just ask money for to see the apple garden, this and that. This is the highest go-karting. I think people usually come here as a couple after marriage. Kind of a honeymoon package. You can try all these things. But we had done many things in Bangalore itself. Since we were bored, there is nothing much to see in Kufri. We thought let's go for the adventure sports. So we two people were there. We took 2-2 package combo, me and my friend. So these kind of couple combos are also there. We took zip lining. This is zip lining experience. Very small one, but yeah, you can do it on the Himalayan mountain. That is a little bit different. So these are some other activities which we don't do. So next activity was valley crossing. I thought I have already done it in Manali. It will be very easy. But here you can see the slope. No, they have tied it to the tallest tree, I feel. So I couldn't carry my own weight. I was struggling to go. So I went for some distance and then I stopped and all. Somehow I managed it. Even with gym also people struggle.
You need lot of core strength for this.
Not joking. See, look at this person. He did not go till some distance as well.
स्ट्रेट करने का हैंड स्ट्रेट लेग स्ट्रेट नीचे देख के चलना जब तक ऊपर नहीं देखना बता रहा हूं.
Among all the activities, this was very crowded. You take some time for this to complete. So this is like free fall jump from that bridge. So we also tried. So look at me. I have seen a bungee jump at Rishikesh. I thought this is not for me. I have a very weak heart jumping from that distance. But this looked very safe because there is a net down. So I thought let's give it a try. But after turning from there, बोलते ना फट गई मेरी थोड़ी देर के लिए.
रस्सियों को बाहर हां ऐसे पकड़ना लटक जाओ खड्डे में पहले लटको पहले जब मैं बोलूंगा तभी छोड़ना उससे पहले नहीं छोड़ना है लटको 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 जल्दी लटको बेटा पैर डालो पैर एक पैर अंदर 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 अभी नहीं छोड़ना जब मैं बोलूंगा तब छोड़ना पहले पैर अंदर डालो पहले अंदर डालो पैर अभी भी नहीं छोड़ना पैर अंदर डालो पहले उधर डालो अरे डालो मैडम दूसरा भी डालो पैर डालो अंदर लो पकड़ो लोहे वाला
Look at this person. He did it so perfectly. This is how we have to do if you are going. Learn this.
Okay, one hand leave now, the safety lock.
Next to the adventure activity only, you can see this stall. It's really yum. We tried bread omelette, Maggie, momos. Really yum. You can try this. Friends, family, couples, students, everybody come to Shimla, and this is one of the famous place. So after doing all these adventure activities, we headed down.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Horses came running. Weather changes drastically here. It was fully cloudy, rainy. Now see, bright sun, and we can see those hills. These yaks are so colorful. बच्चा है, आप नंबर ले लेना उसका, 20 मिनट पहले ही कॉल करके बोल देना हम आने वाले हैं, तभी वो आ जाएंगे, नहीं तो आपको वेट करना पड़ेगा.
Just watch out for running horses here and there. If you have kids and all, please take care of them. So they are a little bit dangerous.
देखो क्या क्या करते हैं छोटे छोटे बच्चे इधर, स्किलफुल. हमारे यहाँ के बच्चे होते हैं. It's a bit cold.
Wait. If you think Kufri is only for adventure sports, it is not. There is one Himalayan nature park is also there. We are in search of that. But while searching, we found this Lalit Cafe, which is handled by Himalayan tourism itself. And from there, we saw these deers, Himalayan deers. First, we thought, like, what is there in the zoo? Why people have to go? Like, I don't like zoo. I've seen many zoos, but this is little bit different. These are like Himalayan deers. Like, Himalayan animals will be different, right?
Just a cafe is there to chill out. We will go to zoo only. Barking deer.
I'm a huge fan of forest and tall trees, so this park gave me all that.
You see those two people? They are called barking deer. When predator comes, they will bark, it seems. It looks different than our natural deer, no? Himalayan deers. Very cute. The Himalayan National Park. You should come and visit this place. These animals are a little bit different than our South Indian animals. But they are in a very knitted cage. It is very difficult to capture them. I'll just see through my eyes. It is looking at me. छोटे-छोटे बच्चे.
It's a good place. 50 rupees fees will be there. Good nature trail. It's at the base. Before taking the horse ride only, you can ask someone. They will guide you here. Nice place.
deer park, no? Baby. Samba. There is what?
I think, or Rai in Hindi. These tea coats, long tea coats you can see only in Himalayan range. Mahindra's Thar vehicle was inspired by this, I guess. Bear is making sound. Unfortunately, the bear was making noise somewhere sitting inside. It couldn't come out, so we couldn't see the bear. And the leopard was also not seen because it had given birth to babies. So this is where the bear will be. We couldn't see it. Next to Savdan, this Savgan. This is the costliest tree. Next to what? Saguan tree. Look at these cute little exotic birds. It is so colorful. This is male and this is female. So the male was looking so vibrant. People shouldn't get confused, so they have put a board over there. This looked like a white peacock. I don't know what it is doing, roaming from this side to that side like a pendulum. You can adopt these birds. I have seen some celebrity names who has adopted the animals of the zoo. The bird colors are so vibrant, so unique. You cannot paint them. It is that shiny. I haven't seen them anywhere. So this is our small tour to Kufri. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. On the way to Kufri, you can see this. It's very green. In this mobile, it is nothing literally. You can see like Amazon forest in like Amazon horror movies, Netflix horror movies. It is that kind of dense forest.